Good evening, everybody. I'm Pierre Roberge, the Daily Trader. It is September 20th, and we are going to take a look at Tesla stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. Okay, Tesla today had a little bit of a downturn. So we lost $29.32. That equals to 3.86%. We closed at 730.17. And post-market now at 426. We seem to be down by a further $1.17. Let's look at the damage that we are having. So we have a red candle right here. Last Friday, we had a breakout. Last Friday, so we closed outside of this downward channel and we had a longer wick at the bottom. So this was showing that during the day, the stock was pushed back up to close higher than the open. We had nice volume and everything. This was basically a head fake. So we were faked by this candle here. So some people like to wait for two candles in order to qualify a breakout. So that would have been the case where two candles outside of that resistance would have been better to wait for, because now this one is right back down within the channel. So the red candle, we have the body of the candle that's pretty close to the support that we had, and the wick crossed 723 here. Let's look at the 1 hour chart. So it just happened at opening. So it opened right back down and we basically stayed horizontal this whole time. Not much else to say. Let's go back to daily chart. Let's look at our indicators. So stochastic at 62. So stochastic took a beating. 62 is not that bad. I will have to say that. It's not below 50. RSI took a plunge, and also MACD, we have to change this green thumb up for a red thumb down because we crossed over bearish. So this should be pink, reddish pink. So this crossed over bearish, and also, wow, also DMI. So DMI crossed over bearish. How something changed in just one day. Is everything all going to hell? Maybe not. We are respecting this downward channel, except for last Friday's head fake. The current candle right now is respecting this channel. So we might be bouncing on this support for a little while before maybe going to the other side to the resistance, and then check again if the stock is strong enough to break that resistance or just cave underneath it. Let me just take a look at NASDAQ. So NASDAQ had been in a big uptrend, and we had these occasional down where the stochastic had been quite low. So here we have a stochastic at 48. Here, right on the support, we have a stochastic at around 60 something. And also here, August 19th, stochastic was also pretty low at 50. So we have had these low stochastics when we were jumping on the support. And right now, so on Friday right here, we had the stochastic at 57. So nothing out of the usual, because this is what is happening when the stock is bouncing on its support. But what is different this time today is that we broke outside of support and stochastic is hyper low. So we have a stochastic of 29. MACD, of course, crossed over before this happened, as it always does. This is making me a little bit concerned, so we'll have to watch what happens here for the next few days. But this is a break of support, so we need to check that. So this might have an influence on the market, so maybe this is what is happening. So we might come back down a little bit more and then revisit this this resistance. We might revisit this resistance right here. And then are we going to go further down? That's the big question. Let me just do this. So I could do it like this, but I prefer to do it a little bit broader like this here. So let's just keep this in mind. This is a hypothesis. So we are going to check if this is going to come true or not. Because what is happening on the major indices, NASDAQ, Dow Jones, Standards and Poor's, can have an influence on individual stocks. You know, they don't move exactly the same way, but the broader trend is sometimes similar. So let's keep this in mind. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you for subscribing, liking, commenting. You can become a member of this YouTube channel if you like to. It's only $5 a month, and it's going to allow you to look at the weekly and monthly overview of both Tesla and Palantir. You can also tip me $20 if you want me to do a special technical analysis on another stock of your choosing. So this is something that I will do also every weekend. So yesterday I did NVTA. So this was an interesting stock to analyze. So if you want me to analyze one of your stocks, you know what to do. I also have a TradingView affiliate link in the comment section below if you are interested in that. I'm going to wish you a great evening. We are going to talk tomorrow, and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.